Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a really smart and simple way to grow tomatoes. And honestly, once you see this method, you might never go back to the old way again. This is not just planting tomatoes. It's more like creating a small natural system in your garden where the soil actually feeds the plant on its own. Let's get started. First, instead of digging small holes like we usually do, we're going to dig 2 trenches. Yes, 2. The first one is what I call the waste trench. In this trench, you're going to add all your kitchen and garden waste, things like vegetable peels, dry leaves, and plant cuttings. Don't worry, this is actually very powerful. Over time, all this waste breaks down. It makes your soil softer, helps it hold water better, and slowly releases nutrients. So basically, you're turning waste into food for your plants. Now, the second trench is for planting. This is where your tomato plants will go. Start by adding a layer of compost at the bottom. Think of this like giving your plant a strong, healthy start. Compost is full of nutrients and good microbes, exactly what young plants need. Now here comes a very interesting step. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of turmeric powder over the compost. Yes, turmeric, the same one from your kitchen. This works as a natural protection for your plant. It helps fight harmful bacteria and fungus in the soil, and at the same time, it supports good microbes. It's a simple trick, but it makes a big difference. Now let's talk about the most important part of this method. Instead of planting your tomato plant straight up, we're going to plant it horizontally. Just lay the plant down gently in the trench. Then, cover about 60 to 70% of the stem with soil, leaving only the top part with a few leaves outside. You might be thinking, why do this? Here's the reason. Tomato plants have a special ability. They can grow roots all along their buried stem. So, when you lay the plant like this, it creates a much bigger root system. And bigger roots means stronger plants. They can take in more water, more nutrients, and they become more resistant to heat and wind. Once your plant is in place, cover it with soil. Then on top, add another layer of kitchen waste. And finally, cover everything with mulch. Mulch is very important. It keeps the soil moist, protects it from heat, and stops weeds from growing. For watering, instead of using chemical fertilizers, you can use something simple like compost tea. It's natural, gentle, and keeps the soil alive. And that's it. What you've created here is not just a planting method, it's a small ecosystem. The waste feeds the soil feeds the plant, and the plant grows stronger and healthier. With this method, you can expect faster growth and a better harvest with juicy, healthy tomatoes without using chemicals. Give this a try in your garden and you'll see the difference yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple gardening ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.